Nowadays, it is hard to distinguish facts from fake news, since there are so many sources of information, journals, blogs, and of course, the largest of them all, social media. That's where information can go viral, regardless whether it is true. So, how can we know if we can trust the news we read, especially related to the current pandemic of coronavirus? Is there a way to verify online information? Well, yes. Let's go to EURECOM, a research center in digital science in France, and meet Professor Paolo Papotti, expert in data management and information quality, to explain his AI algorithm that verifies online claims. In which environment are you conducting your research, and who are your main collaborators?
So we are at EURECOM, which is a research institute and graduate school in the south of France. There are two PhD students in my team working on this project, and we have support and collaboration with companies such as Google, who is giving us two grants. One is specifically to work on COVID-19 misinformation, and the other one is for the International Fact-Checking Network. It is a big network of fact-checking organizations, and we create methods to support them in the computational checking. And it's interesting because this is something that came out in a meeting with Google, because we started working on fact-checking in general, and then during a meeting they told me, look, all over the news we have these claims about the Coronacheck spread and effects, but we don't know what is true, what is not true, there's a lot of misinformation. Can you try to check this? And that was really motivating, and we started with my students looking at this problem, and this was during the lockdown, so we had a lot of motivation and we found the focus and the energy to do it.
So, what is Coronacheck? Tell us how it works.
Our most visible effort in this project is Coronacheck. It is a website to verify claims about the COVID-19 spreads and effects. Our algorithms are specialized on statistical claims. Those are claims that assert something involving numbers or numerical facts. And one instance is about the COVID-19 spreads and effects. For example, if there is a claim about the number of deaths or the death rate in a country compared to another country. So any claim that contains information about this can be verified by the system. We have another instance that is for energy claims. This is in collaboration with the International Energy Agency in Paris. And in this case, it's the exact same set of algorithms, but with a different data set that we use for the verification. So in this case, we have claims about the energy production, consumption, prediction for the future, and we can check them based on the data that they provide.
Could you show us how to use Coronacheck?
This is the website of Coronacheck. This is publicly available on the EURECOM server, and everybody can try it. What it takes as input is a textual claim. Here are some examples. For example, we can check the number of new cases in China. I'm gonna show that in this case the system will come up with two interpretations and say, if you refer to the number of new cases confirmed in China in November, it's not true that they are 50, they are 569. If you're referring to yesterday, because this is not clear from the claim, it will say that those are 29. So this is also false. And we also provide the ability to explain why this is correct or false by saying, according to the official data, the number of new cases is 29, is not 50.
What is the message coming from a computer scientist to society about misinformation?
So far, more than 14,000 people have already used the system online, and we encourage people to keep trying to use it because we collect the questions, we collect their feedback, and this enables us to improve the system over time. So please go online and try Coronacheck.